Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up? What's the damn deal, my people? Dream Wise here. Dream Wise back again. Hey, look, listen. I wanted to tap into something. I wanted to touch in to the idea of how to get moving. How to get your spiritual practice game going and jumping. Man, I was talking to my homeboy and he brought up the interesting question. Had a little debate or whatever. And he tells me he can't seem to do any spiritual work. He can't seem to have any ideas for rituals. For some reason, he feels like when he meditates, that shit ain't working. So I broke it to him. I said, dog, look, if you want to know what to do, all you got to do is start working out. Just work out. Run, walk, do something. He didn't quite understand, but when I broke it to him in a way he would understand, that's when the light hit his ass. See, and that's what I'm going to give y'all today, man, because y'all have to understand, man, this spiritual thing, it involves energy. The spiritual work involves mental energy, physical energy, and you have to get yourself up and going for this thing to happen. So what I'm going to do is give y'all the reasons why working out is so beneficial to you. Now, just because I used to personal train and all of that, you know, I got an inside scoop on this thing, but still the idea is there. Working out helps you take your energies to another level. So look, number one, your energy moves. That's plain and simple, right? Your energy moves. You get your energies moving and active in your body. The energy centers in your body start moving, start going, creating a better flow of energy and vitality in life, in your life at that. So, for example, you all know when you do push-ups, you're opening up your heart chakra, right? When you're running in place or doing jumping jacks, you're working on your root chakra, and so on and so forth. So these energy centers are getting stimulated, and now you're able to move and start having more creative ideas and thoughts. You can walk right into your spiritual practice. You feel me? And working out, number two, you're in the now when you work out. You're tapped in. You know, when you're working out, you have a sense of presence about yourself. Nothing even matters. And if you work out long enough, you're totally in the moment. Now, I'm not telling, new beginners to start working out 2 hours a day. I mean, most people don't have the time, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of hard to get some time to do that. But 20 minutes a day will help. But if you go longer and do 2 hours a day, then you're totally tapped in to, you'll feel such an energy and such a rush where you'll start to be in the now, and you'll really be in the complete moment of what you're doing. Nothing won't matter. The past won't matter. The future won't matter. You're fully in the now. Y'all go cop that book, The Power of Now. Eckhart Tolle. So yeah, once you in the now like that, shit, anything goes. You know what I mean? And your mind ain't just wandering all the time, especially in your meditations and stuff. But still, that's the point of meditation, to silence the mind. So if you need another tool, another vice per se, walk, jog, you know what I'm saying? Go for a swim. Let's see, number 3. Man, really, it just makes me feel better. I don't know about y'all, but you feel better. You know what I'm saying? Them endorphins in your brain are getting released, and you're more engaged, you're more happy, you have joy. And, you know, it helps you to be happy and feel alive when you're trying to do something spiritually. Okay? For instance, you don't want to go into no ritual about prosperity and you all sad and shit. That shit ain't gonna do shit. You just turned your whole thing into something else. Then you don't even want to go into that bitch begging. You want to go into the ritual completely ready, focused on your intention, and you want your emotions to be geared toward that intention where you're feeling joy, happiness. So one way is to work out. Now look, I'm not telling y'all to go, bench press and squats and all of that. I don't do that shit no more either. But I do go jog, right? I will walk. Grounding is good. You already know Aleem just dropped that video on sun gazing and how important that is. So yeah, man, tap into this working out, man. Feel better. It don't got to take that long, 15, 20 minutes. Come back in, get your mind right, do a ritual, or go into meditation, or even better yet, write. Right, I notice whenever I do work out and I come inside, I can write better and things start flowing, ideas starts coming to me a lot liver. So tap in, my people, man. Y'all know what it is. LoveLiveLife.com, Greenwise. Peace.